how to enable or disable secure folder fingerprints unlock on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on security and privacy. After that, we go down and then tap on more security settings. Now in here, tap on secure folder. Then we go down and tap on lock type. Now put in a PIN, password or a pattern lock. Then we go down to the biometrics section and tap on fingerprints. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on fingerprints to unlock your secure folder. So here you can see if I go into my secure folder and unlock it. To unlock the secure folder, we can now use fingerprint to unlock it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.